Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Python on your Windows 10. First of all, just go to any browser that you are using and then go to the search bar and search for Python, hit search button and then go to the first result, welcome to python.org, and then go to the download section, and in here you're gonna find the latest version of Python. Just hit download Python and select the path that the place you wanna save it, and go hit save. Right now it's downloading, and after it's been full downloaded, just click on it and double click to open it. And I'm gonna check this one, add Python X to the path and install. And after it's been installed, just click close. And to make sure that Python is installed right now successfully, just click on Windows button and R letter on your keyboard, and in here we're gonna write CMD, or you can go directly to the search and search for CMD and go to CMD, and then in here write Python dash dash version and hit enter. As you can see, it's gonna show Python, the version of the Python. That means it's installed successfully. And that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Minsweb. And thank you for watching. See you next time.